Hi kids, it's Eric. And for Spring School, we are going to make something very special and very simple. It's called a sausage sizzle. Yay!
Yay!
These are very easy to make, so let's start. First, we'll need an onion. We want to cut the onion very thin. We want to cut off both sides. Be careful. And then we want to peel the onion. So what I like to do is just kind of roll like that. Okay? And then we can peel the onion off. Don't cry, okay? Next, we want to slice down very thin. Put your hands like that and slice down nice and thin. Once all of your onions are cut, and we want to cook the onions pretty slowly. We don't want to cook them fast and burn, nice and slow. So we'll take a little bit of oil and put the onions on the griddle. We want them to get nice and soft. Now it's time to cook our sausages. Take your kitchen scissors and let's open the sausages. And we're going to cook the sausages on the same hot plate. I can hear that.
Okay, once your onions are slightly brown and cooked completely through, we want to take our bowl and our tongs and put everything into the bowl for serving, because the Koala Club is going to be hungry and the Kookaburra Club is going to be hungry, so they have to go into a bowl. Well, these look so good and they smell so good. Do they smell good, Satomi? Yeah. I'm hungry. You're hungry.
Once they are cooked, we want to put the sausages onto our plate. Ta-da! Now it's time to make our sausage sizzle. It's very simple. We'll take one piece of bread and put one of our sausages into the bread like that. And then some of our delicious onions right on top. Be careful, they're a little hot. And then we can use any sauce we want. We can use ketchup or a tomato sauce. We can use mustard. And we can use a little barbecue sauce, which I'm gonna try today. Shake it up well. Put on our barbecue sauce. All set. Now let's ask Satomi what she wants. Satomi,
Yes.
would you like some onions?
Yes, please.
Okay. Say stop.
More, please.
More, okay.
More.
Say stop.
More, please.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you want cheese?
Yes, please.
Okay.
I
Ta-da.
want lots of cheese.
Lots of cheese.
Yes.
Okay.
Say stop.
Cheese. More.
More, okay.
Please. More.
More.
Stop.
Okay.
Thank you.
Do you want mustard?
Yes, please.
Okay. Just a little. Okay.
Little. Okay.
Okay.
Stop.
Do you want ketchup?
Yes, please.
Okay. Just a little.
Yeah. Stop.
Do you want barbecue sauce?
No, thank you.
Okay. Here you are.
Thank you.